We are leaving. Oh, yan na. Tara na. So, I always use the stairs. Good morning, guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this phone, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, you're stupid and you know it's not real. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we fall.
Kasi it's raining. Oh, ito. Show you. Looky. How bad is the weather, right? So, Guys, bigo tayo. Wala silang coffee. Let's go, guys. Hi guys, pakita ko pala yung nabili kong Birkins para sa mga bata. Ito siya. Yung dalawa, pinano ko na naligpit ko. So ito siya. Tatlo yung ito kay Casey to eh. Ayan. This is nice, you know. This one 9.5 yung this one. Ito 11 or 10.5. And the last one is this one. Ito siya guys. So iba naman yung kulay niya. Para siyang tawag sa ganun. Hindi siya shiny. Matte. Yun. So this is that. Yung nabili ko sa Brands for Less na Adidas kay Bunso ko. Ayan siya. Ang tawag sa ganito, jogger pants. So, ayan. Binigyan ko siya ng dalawa. Pati siya lang naman ang may gusto ng jogger pants. Ito pa isa. Adidas din siya. Bubuksan to guys. Na-expand siya. So, ayan. All the way hanggang sa baba na siya expand. So, ayan. Nag-ano kami ni Joyce. Nag-transfer less. Mga nabili ko. Ano ba to? Yung pang-bake ba? Gamitin ko. So, it's very very masculine. Kasi puro boys yung aking anak. Tapos ito pampunas. Ito naman, ano to, 5 dirhams lang to. Towel. Kitchen towel. Kumuha ko ng 3. Got 3. Saan yung isa? Ito pa yung ito 5 dirhams lang yata to. 6. Ito pang ano rin sa lababo. And ito sa Carrefour ko to binili. Ito din pala kay Casey rin to. Jogger din siya. So ito sa Carrefour ko siya nabili kaya mas mura. Transferless to. Para kay Kian to pang ano yun? Panghilod sa likod. Ito for me. Ito pala sa akin. Pang pag nag-exercise ka. So, sama mo with you. So, this is mine. Ito yung isang towel para sa kitchen. And then, ito nabili ko rin siya sa Carrefour. Diba? So nice. This is, I think this is 75. Yeah, 75. Ito naman is gray color. This one is gray color. Very nice. Sure. Hindi ko magugustuhan ito eh. Maganda to pag yung malamig. Kasi siya yung niya sa loob is like this. So parang di ba nag-uulan na sa atin? So this is good. Ayan. Really nice. I like it. Tapos meron siyang packet dito. Susmihin. 15 pack. Ayan. Tapos alam ko may packet pa dito. Ayan, meron siyang dito. For your cell phone. So, maganda siya, guys. Nice. So, yun lang. Ito lang. Nainitan ako. Yun lang, guys. So, pero may bibilin pa akong sling bag para sa mga bata. So, madadagdagan pa to kasi papa air cargo ko to eh. Mas mura kasi pag 30 kilos. Nagiging 8 dirhams yata per kilo. So, ayun. Pero bawal ang liquid. Kaya, mga damit, sapatos, yun. Basta bawal ang liquid. So, yun lang guys. Later ulit.
Madam, mas malaki kasi ito. Big face ito. Yung sa inyo, junior size, ito big. Isinail ko na po at matagal na po ito dito. Ayan.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake.
Sana hindi siya sira. Tada! So this one, ganyan lang siya. Parang pangit ang quality sa online, maganda. Mahal-mahal pa nito. 88 dirhams yan guys. So, ito. Or makeup powder blush. Pencil. Pang ano talaga siya, pang ganyan. So, kinuha ko yung 16 pieces sa so, hindi ko na siya open kasi pang ano lang to, pang organize ng kayo. Ayan siya.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me.
I was brewing my tea. I think ready na siya. So, okay guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
What's in my bag? So, this is my bag. What's inside my bag? Let's see what's inside my bag. Ang gulo-gulo. It's so magulo. But anyway, ganyan yan kasi mga 2 months ko na rin itong gamit. So first, mag-interest ito muna. Ang aking tawag dito, shawl. Bigay pala to ni sino nga nang bigay nito? Bigay ito ni yung girlfriend dati ng tito ko. So yeah, this one from Pakistan, I think. So yeah. Gamit ng natin. Background, this one. Tanggalin natin to guys kasi ito yung binabaunan ko ng oatmeal. So lagay natin. Yes. So yun. Next, yung aking sunglasses. This is from Dior. Aking makeup bag. So yan siya. Yan siya guys. So super bright ng kulay. Anyway, wala pa naman akong ganitong shade. Pero kung sa store ko to nakita, hindi ko siguro kukunin. Ever. So next, I have my power bank. This is my power bank. Dalawa yan. And this can stick. May stick siya. See? Kaya maganda to. So I put this in Carrefour. I think wala nang ganyan ngayon. Kasi sometimes gusto kong bumili ng spare ba. Kaso parang hindi ko na nakikita yun. And I never ask kasi parang gusto ko ako lang yung titingin. I never ask the salespeople. So anyway, ito, kakasulat ko lang nito kahapon. Maha Blanca. So yung ingredients ng Maha Blanca and everything. Kasi gusto kong gumawa. And then, I have mask. These are new. So may mask ako. Okay, first, ito na lang. Ang aking makeup bag. Ang puno to na. Gusto niyo ba makita? Or wag na. Next time na lang. Ayan siya. Punong-puno rin yan ng lipstick. Kasi grabe rin ako sa lipstick. Ang hilig ko sa lipstick guys. See what I mean? Ito yung isa. Ito yung bago. Yung sinasabi ko, gusto kong shade. Ano naman layo ng difference, di ba? Look at the other way. So when you compare, ayan siya. Want to see the swatch. Ito siya. I like this. Gusto ko to. And this one. See, sobrang bright. Kaya ako to gusto kasi yung formula ng ng lipstick. Maganda. So, ayan, ang dami ko. Lipstick dyan. Anyway, pakita ko na. So, ito yung dalawa kong lipstick. YSL. Itong isa, yung bago, online ko yung binili. Yung isa sa Sephora. And this one, another lipstick from NARS. Ayan siya. I want me to swatch. Ito matte naman siya guys. See? Ganyan siya. Next, another one from NARS. This one is like balm, pero I like it. Siya guys. And then, marami pa akong lipstick, minsan, pag malaki yung pouch ko, yung makeup bag ko, malaki rin yung aking ano. Marami rin akong dinadalang lipstick. So, ito pa yung isa. Clarins. Ito maganda rin to. Yan siya. Some cologne. And then, na hand cream. And then, Fenty Beauty na blush. Yan siya. Ganda rin to. Yun yung aking powder foundation from MAC. Ang last time na binili ko is NC41. Dati ang gamit ko NC35. So, ang sabi sa akin masyado daw too white for me. Yun nga gusto ko eh. Some eye drops siguro. Mag-expire pa siya sa July. So, pwede pa to. Wet tissue. And then,
Say what you wanna say.